In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set your WhatsApp profile picture without losing any quality. If you want your profile picture to look sharp and clear, stick around for this updated guide. First, let's talk about why profile pictures can lose quality on WhatsApp. When you upload a photo, WhatsApp compresses it to save space, which can lead a loss in clarity. But don't worry, I've got some tips to help you upload without compromising its quality. Now, step one is to choose the right image. Select a high resolution image to start with. Ideally, your profile should be at least 640 by 640 pixels. This ensures that when it's resized, it still looks good. Now, step two is to crop and edit your image. Use editing app, or you can even use your phone's built-in editor to crop your image to a square format like this. Here you can see the format. Go to square and then click on done. You need to avoid heavy filters or excessive edits, so they can also affect clarity. Now go to your WhatsApp, then go to settings and simply upload your profile picture to WhatsApp and choose the high quality image you just prepared. After that, click on choose, and that's it. You now know how to set your WhatsApp profile without losing quality.